beautiful, it's Kiki and
Joe.
last time I've done makeup on him and he has done makeup on me. If you haven't watched it yet, do check it out. I'm gonna link down below. This time around, it's gonna be both of us doing makeup. This is from Mika Series. They sent me a bunch. This Mika Series claims that their makeup products are unisex.
I've never touched this before, so I've never makeup on my own before.
Exactly why we're creating this video, to let your bro out there knows about this brand. I'm gonna show it to them. I'm gonna teach you how to use it. I have 3 shades. First, you want to swipe your shade here. Which one is the closest? We do like some kind of rubbing, so you can already see that number 1 is a no-no, and number 2 somewhat yes, number 3 also. Which one is the closest to your skin, my love?
I think number 2. If I'm doing it correctly or not.
It's actually your color, right?
Quite, yes, it does cover a lot of my, those pores. I'm gonna mess it up. Oh,
Darling, cannot see lah the video. Ah, you do lah.
You cannot tahan already. I don't think any difference.
You gone back to your original skin. There's like acne marks, so I'm just gonna dab it.
I'm old already.
Why? Am I supposed to be sad?
Please.
Why? Now it's my turn to put on makeup. I'm gonna mix number 2 and 3. So I'm gonna go in from the center of the face. This is the center. Sini center. Okay? Paham? And then you go outward. Huh. The finishing, as you can see, it's skin finish. This is the part that I've done with the Mikadation number 2 and number 3 to get my skin color. And then this is the one that I haven't done. So yeah, quite nice.
Quite nice. It does a good job by not trying to tell that, hey, I have makeup.
I like the subtle glow that it creates, and it doesn't feel like... Do you feel anything on your face?
Oh yeah, I feel like my skin is breathing. That's a good thing.
Oh yeah, your skin is breathing, so it's like... Now we go to the Mika Glow. This is long-lasting powder. So these are the 3 coats, okay? The lightest, and then the medium, and then that's like almost tan, like medium tan-ish. Just a little bit, darling, later. Can you put? Just show to our audience right over there. So here, it's like, it's very textured and everything, but here is just smooth. And then just a tip, guys, instead of like doing like that, bring your mirror up so that your eyes are open up there. Yes, and then you do it like that. See, it's easier, right? Rather than you close and like that.
But I don't quite like the smell of the powder.
Yeah, me too. I don't quite like it. Like you only need this much and then cover everything. It's not bad, the finishing. We're done with the base. Doesn't need much. Doesn't need to do eyebrow, eyeliner. I'm gonna need to, so I'm gonna do it off camera. I'll be back. Okay, so I'm done. Yeah. I only added eyebrows and eyeliner because what's gonna come next is gonna be exciting.
Why not? Why green, man?
It's a moisturizing lip balm.
How would I?
In your nose, darling.
In my nose.
It says in your nose.
Is it? Lip lah, darling. Lip. This is a lip.
How do you feel? You put too much lah.
That's it. My lips is very pink. But does it have mint on it?
Yeah, it has peppermint oil.
I see that. I feel that.
This moisturizing lip balm is a good prepping before you apply lip matte. So for those of you who have issues with dry lips and then after that use lip matte and after that very dry and then you all blame the brand, actually no. It's all about prepping your lips as well. Like how you prep your skin, like you want to keep it moist. So like me right now, my lips are very dry. I'm gonna put it on. We have here 7 shades of Mika Series lip matte named after 7 famous cities such as, this is my favorite, Paris, and after that New York, and then Seoul, Tokyo, Bangkok, Jakarta, and Beijing.
Yep.
Oh, this is actually really nice
Congratulations, you found your
shade. I like this color.
Can I see? Yeah, it's alright, but it's not you, to be honest. It's quite nice.
I like red. Oh, this is like chili red. It's so red. So, what do you think?
It's quite good, easy, seamless to me.
Right, it does look like skin. It's smooth.
Does make sense.
Yeah, it does make sense, right? It's not heavy. It's just enough like for daily, like I can wear it out. Just like that. Well done. Well done on putting it on yourself. Now you can put makeup.
Yeah, props to this actually. Because
Which one?
this one.
But then on daily basis, right? Would you go for the foundation or the powder?
Why not both? Because it has to
You have
take,
time, eh?
well, 10 minutes I guess.
Wow. Okay. So Mika Series is now proven universal. It's unisex makeup. So yes, even I can and then he can as well. Just remember, you need to put only as much as you need. You don't have to go over.
That's it, beautiful, for the day. And you'll see
Who
you
is
next time.
beautiful? You're saying someone else is beautiful than me. Eh? After this, we're gonna cut you one. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. And
We'll see you next time.
yes. Bye bye.